Hey everybody, this is Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer for KW Raleigh and Wake Forest, and your tech tip for this week involves submitting documentation for compliance. All right, here we go, folks. From your main page of command, we are going to go ahead and hop into our opportunities. And once we are in opportunities, we're going to choose one of our opportunities. I'm going to choose one of my random opportunities here, a listing opportunity in the demo account. Once you are in your opportunity, we're going to go to the Documents tab. If you have not gone to the Documents tab before, it will ask whether you want to be a residential listing or commercial listing. 95% of you will choose residential listing. And then what this does is it populates your checklist of potential documents that you may or may not be required to submit to the Market Center. Notice there's a template spot for every single one that you may need to upload. Here is the Listed tab where you would put all of your listing documents, and then of course the documents that may be required once you're under contract. Notice it's a different list. And then finally the Closed tab. Uploading documents and submitting them for review is as easy as it can be. Let's go back to my Listed tab, and right here where it says Working with Real Estate Agents, we're going to click the Add a File button. Notice it gives us several different options. I can click here and pick a file from my computer. I can drag and drop a file to here. I can also upload documents directly from DocuSign that have been signed. You would do so by clicking the DocuSign bubble, and then it will populate with whatever documents you would have had signed in DocuSign. Notice here this is a sample form, so it doesn't have anything signed, right? But you can import directly from DocuSign. Once you choose the form, let's go back to manual. I'm going to choose one of my files at random. Here's a copy of Working with Real Estate Agents from a client of mine. I'm going to choose Open, and I'm going to choose Assign. And now that document is not only uploaded, but it is visible if I click on the link, and I can see the signed version of my document that I've uploaded. It is important to note that you will need to upload PDFs. Once you have uploaded your contracts, make sure to click the Submit to Market Center in the top right-hand corner. If for any reason you have a document that's been returned, it will be highlighted red, and there will be a note over here on the left side. I hope that this has been helpful and helps you with compliance, but if you ever have a question, do not ever hesitate to ask myself or anyone else in the leadership team. Once again, I am Robert Jones, your Market Center Tech Trainer. This has been your tech tip for the week, and I hope you have a great week and a great month. See y'all next time.